Hello and welcome. This is just a real short video clip to say thank you and give a shout out to one of my viewers, Vic M. And those who watch regularly will remember his generosity started back when we needed a speaker for the 1947 Chevrolet radio. And he sent the speaker free of charge, which ended up in that set to bring it back to life. Well, he contacted me last week and said he had 4 radios that he was going to do nothing with, and he was going to send them my direction. Now, he told me 4 radios. What he didn't tell me, it was just 4 models of radio. Good grief, I'm a little bit overcome, to be honest with you. Down here at the end we have 2 Zeniths, the 2 black radios. Then we have this Holocrafters little AM shortwave set. We've got 2 more Zenith portables, and obviously he bought one for parts at some point in time, you know, of each of these sets. So there's the 2 portables here, which are AC battery, as are the black ones. 3 of these battery AC portables here. There's, you probably can't see, there's a 3rd one poking out behind. Move this over. There's 3 of these little Zenith AC portables, and in the package he threw in a couple of packs of battery holders. Vic, I'm having a little bit of a hard time here, buddy. I am just overwhelmed. There's enough here to keep me busy and keep videos going for an awful long time at this point. Hopefully I'll get all of this done before next fall comes around, and we head off, hopefully, back to Thailand for the season. That is, if the Ukraine war doesn't blow up in our faces and China doesn't decide to jump on Taiwan, which would be absolutely stupid. Let's hope we're not heading for World War III. And I ask anybody, put your thoughts and prayers into Ukraine right now. And let's, I honestly am disgusted with our government for not sending A-10s. Their excuse was, well, they wouldn't know how to fly them. Any 13-year-old with a computer could make placards that translate our instrumentation over to Russian. And those pilots they're unbelievably good. They've been knocking the Russians out of the air left and right. You mean to tell me these guys can't fly an A-10? Good God. Anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. Vic, thank you. And I just don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words, my friend. There you have it. Short and sweet. Take care, everybody. And again, pray for Ukraine.